This week's shows are going to be brought to you by Amber Lolli, a really great product. I encourage you guys to go check it out. AmberLolli.com. Link is down below in the description.
Hey, look, I want to talk about this Amber Lolli product again. Whenever something good comes along, I do want to talk about this. My neck, I had a kink in my neck from hell, and the pain was, it gets to a point where you get headaches. So I just grabbed the cream and I rubbed that crap on the back of my neck. After a while, you don't even realize that the pain is gone. You're just going, and how we are several hours later, and I'm still, there's no pain. And it works really quick. I like that. So joint pain and muscles, sore muscles, nice. And then here's the thing about me. I get offered all the time. People want to come on, they want to be sponsors, they want to be this. My thing is, if I don't use your product, I'm not interested. You know, I could sell out everything and make a ton of money, but no, you know, my subscribers to me are very important. But this product here, absolutely, I'm going to endorse this. I like it a lot. AmberLolli.com.
What is going on out there, peeps? Yes, I see it. People are going, Pimpy, look at the markets. Yeah, I know. I saw it. Remember, we're in December. What did we talk about was going to possibly happen to Bitcoin? We're actually seeing it play out right now. Before we get started, hit the thumbs up button, because when you do, it helps us get past the algorithm that YouTube puts on us and keeps us from being shadow banned. If you're not a subscriber, please do so, because when you do, it helps out the channel, and I surely do appreciate it. The disclaimer here is I'm not a financial advisor, a lawyer, or an accountant. The information that I share with you, I do freely. It is of my own opinion. Hey folks, just a quick reminder that back in 2008 and 9, a lot of people lost all of their retirement savings and their 401ks and IRAs because they did not own gold and silver. Yeah, that's right. Gold and silver protects you from a market crash. So do yourself a favor, protect your retirement by purchasing gold and silver. You can go to moneymetals.com, reach out to them, and they will help you set yourself up to protect you and your family from having to start all over from scratch. If you're a first-time buyer and you spend more than $100, use promo code Pimpy, P-I-M-P-Y, and they will send along with your order a free half ounce of silver. So folks, do yourself a favor, head on over to moneymetals.com and protect you and your family from a market crash, as well as inflation. That's right, head on over to Money Metals when you want to buy gold and silver. Keep in mind, if you're a first-time buyer and you spend more than $100, use promo code Pimpy, P-I-M-P-Y, and you will get a free half ounce of silver. Hey, right now, a special offer for my audiences only. You have a chance to win 100 free American Silver Eagles. That's over $3,000 in value. And all you have to do is enter your email to win. That's it. That's right, there's no obligations to purchase. The link is down below in the description, so head on over there, enter to win. You have between now and December 31st of this year to enter. The only way you can for sure not win 100 silver American Eagles is by not entering at all. So do yourself a favor and enter your email so you have a chance to win. So what do we see by the end of yesterday, at least for gold and silver, that is? You can see gold went up. You can see gold went up $21.20. It's back up around that 1780 mark. It usually teeters between the 1760 and the 1780. Silver's at $22.57. It's up 25 cents. So there's a thing with precious metals. There's major trouble with the feds. There's major trouble with the bullion banks. We know this. What they're trying to do is drive the price down so people would sell their precious metals. They don't have enough in the comics. Ralphie did a video and he explained why. Don't be surprised and don't panic when you see them push the value of the gold and silver down. They really want you to part with it. They don't have enough. If the 19,000 contracts that are there on silver were bought up, like Ralphie was saying, they would be stuck. JP Morgan would actually have to part with their silver metal holdings. That's what you want them to do. Here's something to think about. The way our economy is structured, it's a debt-based economy. What that means is it only functions when people owe money. That's it. They want you to go out there spending your money all you can. Yes, That's how the economy grows. But it's a debt-based economy. With everybody looking at inflation, unsure about the president that's in office, and everything else that's going along with it, people are starting to invest their money and they're not spending it. They're buying gold, they're buying silver, and they're investing into cryptocurrencies. So you shouldn't be surprised when you see them try to do these little stunts in order to get people to stop investing. They want you to spend your money. It's a debt-based economy. So don't fall for that trick. Just look at, when it goes down like this, buy on the dip. Although this sucker is dropping, man. Bitcoin is now down $6,600, down to 48,000. Remember, I told you they had futures contracts in which Bitcoin was down between $22,000 and $24,000. Is it going to drop that low? I was starting to think they were taking too long to start dropping their price and that it probably wouldn't get there. But after today, I'm like, well, I take that back because it looks like they're obviously going to make a huge attempt to push down the values of Bitcoin as well as Ethereum. Yep. Congratulations. I told you. Welcome to the world of derivatives and short contracts as well as futures contracts. They will use paper to manipulate the markets. The thing is, you can't fall for it. You just got to keep buying, and eventually they'll have no choice but to allow the price to go up. It's the same with gold and silver. To me, though, gold and silver is having something outside of the system, and we know that's the best safe haven is gold and silver. Eventually, that little booger is going to pop up. I think they're trying to play one asset against another. They don't care. As long as you continue to spend, that's what they want. But these drops here are pretty big. So 12% for Bitcoin, 7.6% for Ethereum. Solana is down 7%. It's down to $203.66. Cardano is down 12%, down to $1.40. XRP, our favorite New World Order coin, is down almost 15% to 80 cents. 80 cents. Polkadot, down 16.34% to $28.57. Dogecoin down to 17.5 cents. Wow, it's down 13.38%. Shiba is down 8.5%. Where is it down to? 4038. Not too bad. It's usually right around there anyways. This reminds me of the time when we first got in lockdown in 2020. All the prices dropped. So for those of you who have been watching my channel since then, remember I used to do stock watch? Well, what do we know to do this time? If the prices get down that low again, we jump all over. Which cryptocurrency outperformed all of them? Ethereum. Yes, it did. What they're hoping is by smashing and controlling the Bitcoin crypto, that the other ones would just automatically follow because they usually do. This is what I'm talking about. That to me is disappointing about cryptocurrencies when they all move in the same direction. You can see the graphs over here to the side. See this? So they all dip at the same time. They all recover at the same time. Every now and then you will see them independent. It shouldn't be that way. That looks like an obvious manipulation in the market. Who cares what happens to Bitcoin? That's the thing. Each one of these cryptocurrencies should be moving on their own and independently of one another. So you should have some green, some red. The graphs should not look like somebody copied and pasted them all the way down. I mean, look at them. See this? That's manipulation. And it's worth noting when it comes to cryptocurrency that is a concern. Come over to Shatoma. We got 7 zeros. Well, it's starting to go up a little bit. It was down about 5.2. It's up to 5.7. So it appears to be making some type of correction. Yeah, so in the past hour, it's up 0.3%. In the past 24, it's down 4.1%. The past 7 days, it is up 6.1%. The last 14 days, it's overall is down 14.5%. And for the past 30 days, it's down 39.2%. So this to me is like buying on a dip. Think cost average. Wait till they bottom out, pay attention to it, and then turn around and add more. That's what you need to do. All right, cost average. But you're going to see right here, this is the thing that blows my mind. You ready? 24-hour trade in volume. It's up 94.32%. Up to $15 trillion. Okay, but it doesn't reflect that in any of the cryptos. Changed for the past 24 hours. Oh, we got one in the positive finally. It's at 2.84% from Game 5, but all the other ones are in the red. Very interesting. And these are the metaverse coins, by the way. So again, buy on the dip. When you see them drop like this, okay, some of them down are almost down 20%, a quarter, or 25%, 20%, 15%. Look at my neighbor Alice is down 20%. We've seen how it continues to go up. Veracity went all the way from 8 cents. It's over here to 4 cents. So no, when I have my cryptos, you guys, this is what happens. It's the same as stock market. You have these swings, all right? If you moving your money around cost you money, just pick your favorite cryptos and keep it there and leave it there. And when you see it drop off like this, remember, keep this in mind. People are going, oh my God, Pimpy, I lost money. No, it's not a loss at all until you sell it. So if you buy it at $100 and then it drops down to 50, then you sell it, well then yeah, you have a loss. But if it drops from 100 down to 50 and you leave it alone and it recovers, then you haven't lost anything. That's why you don't panic. That's why amateurs, speculators and amateurs usually get nailed and lose a lot of money. I know when I first was learning, I used to do that. Go, oh my God, it went down 10%, panic and try to sell. And it's trying to time everything. It just costs you a lot of money. So I'm trying to save you thousands of dollars if you invest in these things as often as I do. Don't panic. Just leave it alone and it will rebound. But this right here is crazy. Metaverse land sales on major blockchains surpasses 100 million in a week. On that fake virtual reality world that these people live in, they actually buy land and they develop homes and stuff like that on there. Somebody just paid $2.5 million for a piece of land that is on this virtual reality. And there's a huge part of me that goes, I'm not falling for this. What it is probably somebody's like, look, here's what we're going to do. Let's get everybody interested in this metaverse. We'll lure them in just like we did with Bitcoin. We'll start creating millionaires and then people will want to get rich. And so we could suck them into this metaverse and then they're in there. Then we have them. Then nobody else is going to get rich. You know what I mean? That's what they did with Bitcoin, the cryptocurrencies. I mean, it was obscure till people started becoming millionaires and everybody ran on over there. It's just like we do with these meme coins. You hear about people get rich when they go up. And we all want that. I mean, again, this is why I don't panic and sell my Shiba coins, and this is why I don't panic and sell my Satoma coins. These markets are manipulated. We know this. But you can see on a 52-week average, look at this, almost to the halfway mark for Ethereum. Look at this, almost to the halfway mark for Bitcoin. Ethereum, look, I told you, Ethereum goes up slow and comes down slow. People compare Bitcoin to gold and Ethereum to silver, but Bitcoin acts more like silver and Ethereum acts more like gold as far as how fast they go up and down. Although I know over here the chart just shows it, but the drop wasn't very much at all. Still up there in the 4,000s. So I think you're going to see a lot of this happening here soon. They're going to try to give everybody the appearance that people are getting rid of their safe havens and then try to get people into riskier assets. Don't fall for it. It is a debt-based economy. Just refuse to participate. Invest your money. Grab your favorite investment, whether they're cryptos or gold and silver, and keep doing it. They're going to try to drive the price down. They want you to go out, sell your coins, sell your crypto, take the money, get bored, and go spend it. They don't want you saving. So like I said, it doesn't make a difference if they take it down to $1 each for any of these assets. Just hold on to it. It'll rebound. Buy on the dip. A reminder to everybody, back in March of 2020, when all the stocks and everything dropped, we made that fictitious portfolio. We kept an eye on it. We saw how much money it gained over time. So just keep that in mind when they finish dropping out. If they drop down that low again, buy on the dip. But I am concerned when it comes to Bitcoin and their coin being manipulated through short contracts. I warned everybody that this might be coming, and here it is. Now, again, we don't know if it's going to get down that low, but this is a pretty steep drop in value. Some whales will go, ooh, this is an opportunity to pick up these cryptos for a much cheaper price. You might see it start to swing back up. Who knows? But we'll keep an eye on it, keep you updated, and we'll just see how that goes. And just be prepared when the time comes to jump on them when they get down low enough that you're comfortable with. All right? So don't panic. Hang tight. They'll rebound. Anyways, you guys, that's it for now. Hit the thumbs up button. If you're not a subscriber, please do so, because when you do, it helps out the channel. And I surely do appreciate it. And I'll catch you later. I'm out.